Hoboken, New Jersey, we have found the cutest little shop called Serenity. Lots of women's clothes, children's clothes. I mean, just look at the display windows. I want you to come in and have a look with me. So Joelle, this is an amazing little store found. I mean, what is your niche around here, would you say?
We cater to a lot of the stroller mommies who come in, and we actually have 2 floors, so we're able to accommodate having the stroller mommies come in, because tight space in Hoboken here. And we have a full another section downstairs.
Show us some of your amazing bits here.
Sure. So we've got our little rain boots, those are one of our top sellers.
And I saw some of your really cute jewelry.
We carry everything from necklaces to earrings, bracelets, the whole gamut we run, so with the jewelry. And then these have been flying off the shelves as well. These are for all the mommies, that are in Hoboken. They've been loving these as well.
Also, I saw you have some amazing scarves on the back there. The wraparounds?
Yes, we have a bunch of wraparounds. Well, here's one right here.
Check these out, guys. I love these.
So they just wrap around. Just so cute.
Amazing. You have that in red?
Yes, I do.
I want one in red. Can I have one in red?
You can have one in red.
I'm gonna walk home with one in red, okay? This is my red one. I got it. All right, guys. Literally just wraps around and sticks to itself.
So cute.
Yay! Look at that. That is what we got for you today. I found my new red scarf. I'm gonna be skipping down the street. I just want you to come in and have a look for yourself. It's on Washington Street. See you there.